Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I am pleased to offer this 2017 Audi A6 Saloon 2-litre TDI Ultra S-Line automatic in metallic grey. It has done 75,000 miles since new and has had 2 previous owners. Features include a full leather interior with electric and heated front seats, cruise control, both front and rear parking sensors and Bluetooth connectivity. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call them 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.